Our top 5. Best coffee grinder for French press. One number product. Baratza Encore Conical Burr coffee grinder. Baratza grinders are preferred by coffee professionals and backed by Baratza's world-class support. Hardened alloy steel burrs manufactured in Liechtenstein, Europe, plus a powerful DC motor. This combination creates a consistent grind and durability to ensure the longevity users have come to expect from the Baratza brand. 2 number product. Presso Q2 manual coffee grinder. The Q grinder only takes up a little space under 400 grams, right, small than a can of soft drink, making it comfortable to grip and easy to grind. Just at the right size for you to pack in your bag, even fits perfectly in the plunger of your AeroPress. 3 number product. Capresso 560 Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. Commercial grade, solid steel conical burrs with advanced cutting design. Wide grinding range. From ultrafine Turkish to French press coarse and everything in between, preserves aroma. Gear reduction motor grinds slow with reduced noise and little static buildup. 4 number product. Mueller Ultra Grind Conical Burr Grinder. This new Mueller Conical Burr Grinder provides you with the highest quality and newest technology on the market. The hardened alloy steel Conical Burr coffee grinder provides you with a precise grind. Also size and uniform grinding for full coffee flavor. 5 number product. Bodum 11750 US Bistro Burr coffee grinder. Enter text you wish spoken here. A neat, space-saving device that holds up to 220 grams coffee beans. Adjustable grind with 12 settings, taking your beans from espresso to French press with ease. Clear plastic coffee catcher. Made from stainless steel, plastic, rubber and silicone, the Conical Burr provides a consistent grind with no sharpening required. Thanks for watching this video.